Hi, dreamers! Today, we're going to talk about something game-changing, something that will completely transform your financial future. It's not about fancy gadgets, flashy cars, or the latest trends. No, dreamer! Today, we're going to dive into the art of saving, and I'm going to show you Barbie's strategy for mastering this art. Are you ready? I said. Are you ready to take control of your finances and create the life you've always dreamed of? If you are, then stay with me, because we're about to unlock the secrets to smart saving, consistent growth, and unstoppable financial confidence. Step 1. Understanding the power of saving. Listen to me closely. Saving is not just about putting money away. It's about empowerment. It's about laying the foundation for your dream life, $1 at a time. Saving is not about scarcity. It's about abundance. When you save, you are choosing your future. You are telling yourself, I am in control. It's like building a Barbie dream house. Each brick, each decision you make to save, is a step toward creating your perfect life. Now imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning and you feel secure. You feel free. You look at your bank account, and there's a cushion, a buffer between you and any financial storm that may come. That cushion doesn't just happen by accident. It happens because of the smart decisions you make today. Step 2. Start with a clear vision. You need to start with a vision, dreamer. What does your financial future look like? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? 10 years? Visualize it. Dream big. Your savings goals should be as big and bold as your dreams. You don't have to just save for emergencies. No, you're saving for your dream vacation, your first home, your business empire. Every time you put money into your savings account, think of it as one step closer to that dream. Picture yourself there, in that gorgeous home, on that beautiful beach, in that lavish office space. And with every dollar, you're getting closer. Step 3. The power of consistency. You've heard the saying, little by little, a little becomes a lot. And guess what? It's true. Saving isn't about making one big splash. It's about showing up every single day. It's like adding layers of glitter to your Barbie dream house. Each piece, each tiny bit of progress, makes a huge difference over time. It doesn't matter how small your contributions are, what matters is that you keep doing it. The most successful people aren't the ones who make huge one-time sacrifices. They're the ones who make steady, smart choices, day in and day out. So, set up an automatic transfer. Put your savings on autopilot. Make it non-negotiable. Every time you get paid, pay yourself first. It's as simple as that. Step 4. Pay attention to the little things. Now here's where we get strategic. Dreamer, we both know it's easy to get distracted by the flashy things, the shiny objects, the instant gratification. But the secret to saving is focusing on the small stuff. Those little daily expenses, they add up faster than you think. That $5 coffee every morning? In a month, that's $150. And in a year, that's $1,800. Imagine if you took that $1,800 and put it into savings instead. Just like that. You've turned a small habit into a smart decision that brings you closer to your financial goals. Step 5. Create a budget that works for you. Barbie doesn't follow trends. Barbie sets her own rules. And the key to mastering saving is creating a budget that works for you. One that reflects your priorities and aligns with your financial dreams. Start by tracking your income and expenses. You need to know exactly where your money is going. Write it down. Don't just guess. Look at each category: food, entertainment, shopping, and decide where you can cut back. But don't just restrict yourself. Budgeting isn't about feeling deprived. It's about making intentional choices. The goal is to direct your money to where it matters most towards your future. Step 6. Set short-term and long-term goals. Here's a little trick, dreamer. Break down your savings goals into bite-sized chunks. We're talking both short-term and long-term goals. This way, you're always working towards something, and you'll feel motivated every time you reach a milestone. Want to save for a vacation in 6 months? Start small. Set a goal to save $500 in the next 2 months. Want to build an emergency fund of $5,000? Divide it into smaller, manageable targets. Each one will make you feel more confident and driven. And those long-term goals, they keep you focused. Whether it's buying a house, starting your own business, or retiring early, you need to keep your eyes on the prize. This is the dream you're working towards. Step 7. Saving isn't sacrificing, it's investing. You might think, but saving means I can't enjoy myself. It's too restrictive. Wrong. Saving is an investment, not a sacrifice. Think of it as planting seeds for your future. Every dollar you save is like a tiny investment in the life of your dreams. Just like you wouldn't build a Barbie dream house on a weak foundation, you shouldn't build your life on shaky financial habits. Saving gives you the power to live life on your terms. It means you don't have to rely on credit cards. It means freedom. It means choice. Step 8. The magic of compound interest. Let me tell you about something that's going to blow your mind. It's called compound interest. This is the magic that happens when your money starts working for you. It's like having a Barbie dream car that keeps accelerating, even when you're not pushing the gas pedal. When you save and invest, the money you put in doesn't just sit there, it grows. Slowly, steadily but surely. And over time, that growth multiplies. Your savings turn into a snowball effect of wealth. The sooner you start, the more you'll see compound interest work its magic. Step 9. Make sacrifices today for a better tomorrow. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, dreamer. To master the art of saving, you'll need to make sacrifices. But these sacrifices, they're worth it. You're not just sacrificing for the sake of it. No, you're making these decisions because you're building the future you deserve. So, that shopping spree? Maybe it can wait. That spontaneous dinner out? Maybe next month. You're not denying yourself. You're choosing a better tomorrow. And trust me, that tomorrow is going to be so much sweeter when you're sitting in the life you've built through your smart saving choices. Step 10. Keep your eyes on the prize. Dreamer, here's the final key to your success. Never take your eyes off the prize. Life is going to throw distractions your way. There will always be temptations. But you're different. You know the power of saving and you know where it's taking you. Whether you're saving for that perfect house, that dream vacation, or that financial freedom, keep that image locked in your mind. Let it drive you. Every time you feel tempted to splurge, remember why you're doing this. Step 11. Surround yourself with a support system. You don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with people who support your financial goals. People who understand that your dreams are big, and that saving isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. Find a mentor, or even better, make your financial journey a group effort. Whether it's friends, family, or an online community, lean on others for support and accountability. You'll go much further when you're not walking alone. Step 12. Celebrate every milestone. Don't forget to celebrate the wins, big and small. Every time you hit a savings milestone, take a moment to acknowledge it. You're doing incredible work, and each step you take brings you closer to your dream life. Celebrate the progress, feel the pride, and then get right back to work because, dreamer, you are unstoppable. Your future is bright, and with each smart saving decision, you're making it even brighter. Dreamer, this is your time. This is your moment. The art of saving isn't just a strategy. It's the secret to creating the life you deserve. It's about making decisions today that will set you up for the future of your dreams. Are you ready to master it? Because when you do, there's nothing stopping you. You'll be unstoppable. Your Barbie dream life. It's within reach, and with smart saving, it's going to be yours. Let's make it happen. Let's start today. The future you've always dreamed of is waiting.